In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a bug work type in Jira. This setup helps you track software issues more effectively and keeps your project management clean and organized. Let's get started. First, open the Jira website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the dashboard. Next, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. From the Settings menu, select Work Items. On the left-hand side, click Work Types. Now click Add Work Type. In the name field, enter Bug. In the description field, add something like Used to track software defects, errors, and functional issues. After that, click Add to save the new work type. Once the bug work type is created, you can customize it. Click the three dots next to Bug and select Edit. From here, click Select Image and choose an icon that represents a bug or insect. Review your changes and click Update to save. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.